administer the prayer and bless the food, I just want to say that it's been an honor this is my sister, not only in Christ, but she's an Eastern Star sister. We work.
The Lord has kept you. Just another day that the Lord, the Lord, the Lord, the Lord, has kept you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ethel. Space Shuttle, Ethel. Happy birthday to you. All right, what you gonna say to everybody?
Oh, thank you very much.